Have you ever wondered how some individuals become successful innovators? Like how some people come up with the craziest of ideas and they have the courage to actually bring those ideas into reality. Let me tell you about one such tool that innovators use, which is called as design. Design is nothing but a solution to a problem. And design thinking, or what we also call as human-centered design, is a way of solving problems by focusing on people. Now, there is a general process to follow in design, but more importantly, what it takes to be an innovator is really the design mindset. There are many characteristics that make up a design mindset, but I'm going to talk to you about 4 of them, which if you as an individual can inculcate, you will be able to innovate successfully. Number 1, curiosity. See, when you have a design mindset, you're always curious. You're always asking questions like, what if? Why not? You ask questions not just to find answers, but also to learn more about the problem. You see problems as opportunities waiting to be solved. Number 2 is empathy, the secret sauce to innovation. You really listen to people's fears, frustrations, their hopes, their dreams, because you know that understanding other people's needs is really the way to create something truly amazing. Number 3, embracing ambiguity. A design mindset begins with being comfortable with ambiguity, meaning you don't fear the unknown, you don't fear the uncertainties, because you know that even though right now you can't see the road ahead, you believe and you inherently trust that it will all come together in the end. You believe that every problem has a solution. You see uncertainties as a chance to explore, to experiment, and to discover new possibilities. Number 4, creative confidence. Perhaps the most important characteristic of a design mindset is to have creative confidence. Meaning you have confidence that you can think creatively and you know that you have the power to bring your ideas into reality. You're not afraid to take risks or to make mistakes because you know that's how innovation really happens. So next time you're faced with a challenge, remember to think like a designer.